What's up, you sexy, beautiful people? Today, I want to show you a great brand, a great store. And basically, I want to just go over it so we can learn. Because what's the best way to learn is to look at existing winning products, to get existing winning ideas, kind of like case studies, right? It's basically like, I say this in my Discord all the time. A lot of people don't do their homework. So basically, like, I'm the guy that just does the homework and give it to everyone so they can cheat. Because doing your homework is very, very important. So I found this. So we're going to go straight to it. Right now, I found this product on FutureLib, which is like the ad spy tool for Shop Hunter. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, but Julian, didn't you say like don't use spy tools? Look, honestly, anything but PP ads. Like, to be honest, because like everyone and their grandmothers are using PP ads. But what I like about Shop Hunter and FutureLib is that they have a lot of different settings. It's a bit it's a bit more advanced. So with the multiple variabilities, you could put settings in unique ways. So like a lot of people don't see these types of products, right? And if you want, check them out below. I'll have the link there. But basically, I found them on FutureLib, and what they're selling, so it's called True Height, this brand. And what they're selling is, let me zoom in so maybe like we can see a bit. These are like their image ads. This is for, their basketball, blah, blah, blah. But basically here, give your child the gift of growth. So basically what it is, it's a supplement for kids to help them grow. And what I love about this, because the supplement market is a booming market right now. Everyone's buying supplements online now. What's that brand? Athletic Greens. They started it kind of like they're on every podcast. They kind of made the wave, and a lot of people are following it. And it's general like health usually. Like, oh, here's like a vitamin B supplement. Here's multivitamin omega. But now what a lot of e-commerce people are doing is they're making brands targeted towards one pain point, and height growth is a huge one. But the thing is, what I like about this is that they target it towards kids. So they're still targeting insecurity of height, but they're targeting towards kids. And it's just like, it's kind of smart because it's inevitable they're going to grow their kids, right? So they can obviously have this placebo effect on the customer saying, oh, the supplement helped them grow. But basically it was just, nature and puberty probably. But I really, really like it. We can press shop now and look at their website. And their website is so good. It's very branded. I truly like it. It's simple. It's very simple. Look, not much. What I realize is they kind of like, they have the essentials basically here, ending at the customer reviews. And look, there's nothing much like special on top. And then they have all the extra like stuff at the bottom here. But their branding is super nice, super clean. And the thing about supplements, if you can find a supplement that starts like working for you, you have an amazing brand, because you can do, bundles. You can have subscription models. You can have kits. Like I know here, if we go home, they have like kits. So your AOV can be so high compared to like one supplement. Yeah, here, like kit. And they obviously branched off to protein powder and stuff like that. But they have like a kit, for, $144. And again, you can subscription model. Supplements is a huge market to get into. And they target, it's a consumable that targets literally pain points. Like that's the reason why people take supplements. So, brands just take advantage of it. But it's really, really good. They have really good ads. They really have good branded ads. And I really like them. So what we can do actually is go back to their landing page, and we could pop it in Shop Hunter over here, right? My track stores, blah, blah, blah. Can I add a ad shop? Here we go. And we can see what they're doing. And that's why having a tool like this is very, very crucial, very important. You want to know that this is a proven concept, right? So Shop Hunter allows you to do that. And guys, 1.8 million in a month. They're absolutely killing it. What is that? 63,000 daily. That is insane numbers. How many ads are they posting? It looks like they're downscaling a bit. They probably cut off a lot of ads that they were testing and now just probably running the ones that work, especially for Black Friday. But, the numbers don't lie. High AOV is $118, which is beautiful. But it's like the numbers don't lie, right? They clearly cracked the code. But this is something that we can learn. So obviously we're not here to just copy and paste them because it definitely won't work. But what we could do is, again, understand what the hell they're doing, their whole strategy behind it, right? You can even see like top performing products. Yeah, it's the regular growth gummy. Then they got the growth protein. Growth protein. It's just protein. Like, obviously, yes, protein makes you healthy, strong, can grow. But I love how they just targeted kids. It's just so funny because it's inevitable they're going to grow, right? It's a genius idea. But what we can do is, because a lot of people are just selling these basic supplements, these people targeted a specific pain point and clearly found a winner and then started branding. What we can learn from them is take another supplement, find another, ingredient that targets a specific pain point. Maybe it's hair loss, maybe it's skin, maybe it's any problem. Like you can think of so many. There's so many problems that society has that you can just pop up a fucking supplement, an ingredient, right? An existing problem could be like nail growth. A lot of people care about their nails, their skin, hair, their body, maybe like their physique. But you can think of anything, anti-aging, So it's like, for an example, you want to do anti-aging, you can just search up like a chemical, what chemical or what ingredient helps with anti-aging. Vitamin B6. That's not no. Let's do that quick, right? Ingredient helps with anti-aging, right? And vitamin C. Vitamin C is pretty common. Like, I'd like to choose something that people are like unaware of, so like they don't know, kind of. Retinols, maybe. A product made from vitamin A, right? So retinols. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it properly, but you can just go find a supplement that has retinols in it and be like, here is your anti-aging supplement. I like this market because there's so many ways to go at it. There's so many ways to truly have room to put yourself in a market that's allowing you to generate good money. And as you clearly see on Shop Hunter, it clearly worked for these people. And it's just very inspiring. It's very inspiring. They've done something amazing. And it's something to just appreciate, look at, study, and try to replicate it. Try to replicate it. But again, it's very important to have a spy tool where you can not only look at the ads. The ads is there's a lot of tools for it, but to have a spy tool or a tool that can track their sales, and even though this might not be 100% accurate, it's a good estimate, and at least clearly this is a number that it could be 1.8 mil, it could be 2 mil, it could be even just 800K, 1 mil. It works, right? So it's important to have like a tool like this. If you want to check out Shop Hunter, if you already don't know what it is, check the link below. But again, take True Height as a good way to look at your future tests, look at your future brands, and be inspired by them. Hopefully you learned something here, did the homework for you, and just keep trying. Just keep trying, keep testing, things will work, and then one thing will hit for you for sure if you just never give up. And again, if you want, check out also the community down below. This is where we all teach each other, help each other out. Very valuable, authentic community. And that's where I'll see you at the top.